Gordon. Do your worst.
Worst?
Whatever that is. Damn.
Yeah, baby!
Oh, you did it inverted?
Fuck no, I'm not flying You on camera?
Yes.
Let it roll.
Rock and roll, baby. That was fast. I kept up with it, but it was all I could do.
Baby cakes.
All right.
I'm so
What are you doing?
And he said, well, you used to do this to my airplane. I used to do it to my airplane. I'm telling Mom.
You do another one. Whoa. I lost it on that one for a sec.
okay, gear pass.
But he was really good. You go to his house and say, I like that one. He'd say,
Yeah, I was able to keep up with that pass.
I slowed down.
I see that.
That was like no throttle.
Thing's fast with no throttle. You chopped already? Yeah, it's idling too high, isn't it? Got it.
boy, that body language was awesome.
I knew you were watching.
He was twisted down on his knees. Yeah, that was all body language.
You roll like that too? Sure.
He practices that in the kitchen of his house when his wife's mad at him. There's knives and pots and pans. Get out of that grass.